السلام عليكم برجور فاميلي وويلكيني soo noqosho wanaagsan maanta video ee ka gacsan tahay kala gacsan ay idin wada marka waxa waayo maanta waxa idin wada video aad uga heshiin oo maanta baxay dadka u tagay dadkana soo luqadda Soomaaliga ku hadlin ama Cadaana ahaadaan ama madow ahaadaan waxay rabaan ahaadaan ama Chinese waxay rabaan inay noqon karaan marka dadka luqadda Soomaaliga ku fahmayna heesas Soomaaliya u daari doona any hees Soomaali ma heesta kaliya u daari doona waxa waaye waa Xariir Hees بس عندنا مركوا reaction كود إنا فيريو ومعناه قابك فهميان هيست قابك وجهلنا إنا فيريو ربع إلى Can I tell your name?
My name is Imani.
Alright, her name is Imani, right?
Yep.
Is that Imani. Right? Imani.
Yep.
Alright. So وحاول يديره وحاول هيس حريرة أبدارا مركي إنا فهمتو reaction كده لإنا أرى بهاي
igu adag maantaadu waqtiguna imaan weeli adna meel fogiga aaday ana dooni muuqaaga adna meel fogiga aaday ana dooni muuqaaga
First thing, when you hear these songs like basically how what's your intention basically? Go ahead, it's fine.
I mean, it sounds like normal songs that I used to listen to, like the foreign songs I used to listen to, but it got a little mixed when it first came.
Like for the mood and stuff like that, right? Alright, we'll play different. Let's see if this one does any different.
adigari dorsani habla ugu dhigrontahay warwada qalba tahay on kala dhantaalayne imanay dhiga waad sidata umar dhamaanti imanay dhiga waad sidata umar dhamaanti adigari dorsani habla ugu dhigrontahay.
So basically, I understand that you don't understand anything of this song. So basically, the only thing I'm trying to get is like hearing the song. Even like some, I listen to Indian songs, like Jamaican, and I do not understand. You know what I'm saying? So basically, what I'm trying to get is like when you're listening, some type of songs that you don't understand, it has some kind of feeling.
Yeah, I just dance to the beat of songs like normal like American rap songs.
Yeah.
They don't have any meaning to it. Just be the same thing over and over. I just like the beat. That's it.
Yeah. So you fuck with the beat, right? You mind telling your name?
Victoria.
Alright. Victoria. So I'm just trying to play a little song.
Okay.
And that won't be English song.
Okay.
So I'm just trying to see, what you feel listening to that song.
Okay.
isahani nugleeyay naftayda naftaada baday markaad niyadami kalgacal haddayga ku naaxiyaba uradisiyo rajadaada naafeeya oo adooni nacayninba.
I like it.
Yeah, what was your feeling?
Yeah, I liked it.
Yeah, because sometimes, I listen to Spanish songs.
Yeah.
Like, you understand?
Yeah.
Like Jamaica, sometimes. So.
I feel like it'd be good at like a party or something like that.
Yeah. What would you tell this guy if he can watch this video basically today?
It's pretty good. You should keep up the good work.
Appreciate that.
I'm Avery.
Alright.
uradisiyo rajadaada naafeeya oo adooni nacayninba nasteexada iga.
I feel like I would hear this if I was sitting at the pool like on vacation.
Yeah. Really? Yeah, it's really calm.
Yeah, it's kind of like a chill song.
Yeah.
You want to hear it? I'm good. Okay.
markaad niyadami kalgacal haddayga ku naaxiyaba.
Kind like it. Like actually, it's a good voice. I like it. I feel like it's if I knew the words, if I listened to it more, I could like listen to it in the car.
You mind telling your name?
Jasmine.
Alright, her name is Jasmine. So basically what I'm trying to get is I know you want to understand the song and the meaning. So what I'm trying to get is like the way you feel listening to the song. You know?
Arwada qalbata hayon kala dhantalayne imana yediga waad sidata dumar dhamaanti
Music is there, isn't it?
Yeah.
dumar dhamaanti imana yediga waad sidata dumar dhamaanti adigari dorusani habla ugu dhagrontahay arwada qalbata hayon kala dhanta.
Basically, this is not me. This is like one of our singers. So yeah, it sounds lit, right?
I will listen to it.
Yeah. So basically, there's sometimes you listen like songs that you don't understand, but like the mood just goes off and you really fuck with it and all that, right? Yeah. So basically, all right, let's go. Another song of Hees. This guy is really talented, bro. Like I'm not even joking, bro.
naftayda naftaada baday markaad niyadami kalgacal haddayga ku naaxiyaba.
You never get bored with Cadaana Films.
naruuradisiyo rajadaada naafeeya oo adooni nacayninba nasteexada iga jarta. Allah
I mean, I would listen to it, to be honest. It's pretty lit and I like it.
If you were to see this video, what would you tell me?
His music is, even though I don't understand it, it's still good.
It's still good, right?
Yeah.
This guy is one of our top ones. You know what I'm saying? I respect him so much, and I can tell you getting with him too. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate that. Maanta videogeena intuu noogu ekaan doonaa waxaan u maleynayaa inaa aad ugu hesheen marka videoga haddaad ka heshay subscribe saar like saar share garay walaalkaa la jeclaaw haddaad jeclaatay videoyo badan oo ama kan camal ama ka qurxoon ayaa soo socdo marka waxaan idin leeyahay videoga hala share gareeyo asxaabtaada la wadaag haddaad jeclaatay dadkaa jeceshaa la wadaag intii soo noqosho dambe waxaan idin leeyahay